Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Niecy and this is Beauty by Niecy. If this is your very first time, you're most definitely welcome. So today's video is gonna be about the picture that I posted on my Insta stories, and I asked if you guys wanted me to do a tutorial on how I got this look, and most of you voted yes. I think I got about 87% of you guys saying yes, I should go ahead and make a video. So this is it. This is how I created this look, and I used this palette. I used this Huda Beauty palette. This is I think this is their newest palette, I'm not sure, but if you want to see how I created this look, I need you to go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end. But if you're not following me on Instagram, you probably didn't know that we had a poll on this look. I want you to pause this video right now, go follow me on Instagram, and come right back to it. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Okay guys, to go straight into the tutorial, we're going into the Hudabeaty Desert Dusk palette. So I'm gonna start with my transition shade, and I will, just so you see how the palette look, and of course I've already used it. This is the huge mirror, and it came with this pretty thing. It was right here. I took it off, so there you go. To start off, I will go into Eden, which is this shade. Is very light orange. I'll go into this shade first. And then after that, into my crease, I will go into, I really can't remember, I think I went into Amber, the next shade. I used that in my crease. I stayed in my crease, but then I bring it all the way down here. And this palette, the colors are very pigmented, which is one thing that I love about this palette. And it is easy to blend, as you guys can see. And then after that, I will go into my lid color. So I used this color, Twilight. I used that color. So I'm just dabbing in, just so you guys can see. Like that. And then I'm just gonna place it on my lid. Okay, I have to switch my brush again. So I'm gonna dab it in. Just like that. Spray it. So after this, you can tell that it's a little messy in the crease. So I'm gonna go in the shade, there's a purple shade, Amethyst, right here. I'm gonna go in that shade, and then I'm gonna use that shade to clean my crease. So just a little bit, like so. And anytime I use it, I'll just clean my brush to make sure that I'm getting the shimmer off my crease. I'm almost using it to clean. And then I will go into, I don't know what the name of this shade is, OUD over here. I'll use that to deepen the outer corners of my eye. So I'm just placing it in the outer V of my eye. Then this is something that I didn't do in my other picture. I didn't do this, but there's this glitter. It looks like a topper, the Cosmo. I'm gonna place that in the center. Let's see how it looks. Do you guys see it? And then for my inner tear duct, I'm gonna go in Cashmere, the shade. And let's wet it and see how intense this color is gonna look. So I didn't dab it, I just used the same one because I had enough. This is how intense we're looking. Okay. So for the lower, I just went in the same brush that I used. I went in OUD and Amethyst. I just mixed those two. And that, I don't know what I was doing, but I just mixed those two colors and it went under my eye. And in the picture, in my tear duct, I actually used a different palette. So to be able to recreate the same look, I'm gonna go get that palette, and then I will actually finish up my face, go get that palette, and then I will come and show you my final look. Hi guys, welcome back. So I went off camera to finish off my face like I said earlier, and I finished off my eye, but I used a different palette. That's why I didn't film that. But just to show you, I used the Makeup Shayla Perception palette. I used the shade number 14, this one, in my inner waterline, just the inner part, like the halfway. And then I went in the waterline again in the outer part, the other half, with Stallion. So it's all in the blue family. So I did the darker outside and then the lighter blue inside. So that's just what I did. And that completes the look. It's just a recreation of the picture that I posted on Instagram. I hope you loved it and I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. Let me know what wasn't clear enough and I will surely answer all your questions. So this brings us to the end of this video. We'll love it if you subscribe and you join this family. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.
Kitty. Let's go. See me, I no get 30 billion.